new users. I am going to do step by step that how we can add a new user. So I will directly go here and I'm going to launch this. I will just switch it off and I'm going to launch this org. Now it is saying that open setup. In the quick find box, I'll open setup, I'll enter user here, and I'll go to the users. Then I'll click on this new user, and then I'm going to create the user. Okay, so what is the name of the user? The test user. It is saying that's an alias name, right? So first name, and first name we'll do as test, and the second name we'll do as user, and then this is the alias name, and then I can write, do have they given the email? Yeah, they have given the email something like this. Okay, so I can use the same email here. Now a nickname is being added, right? Now I will see that which license. So license is Salesforce. I will go to the Salesforce license. Now role, they are saying minimum access Salesforce role, so I will select here minimum access Salesforce role. Okay, I'm not able to see that. Oh wait, customer channel, Eastern marketing team. Yeah, I am not able. Oh, I think that's a profile or a role. Oh, okay, yeah, it's a profile, minimum access. Yeah, so let me do this minimum access Salesforce profile, and then the role is Western sales team. Okay, so I am going to select the role as Western sales team. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and then um, click save. Okay, so I am going to do this as your initial, and it is giving that you can give your like date of birth here. Okay, so I'm going to use my initial, and I'm going to give any date and year here. So let's give an year and a date, something like that. Okay, and here also let's give a date and year and month, so something like this we did. Okay, and then it is saying that we can save the user, so let's save the user. Okay, so now we created a new user and the name is test user. So we are going to check on this hands-on challenge, and we will see that whether we are done or not. Okay, now once we create a user, there is an option where you can see freeze. Okay, so there are two things which we can do. We can freeze a user or we can deactivate a user. Okay, now what is the difference between two things? Oh, okay, it is saying that we can't find a user with test user in the username. Oh, okay, and test user in the alias. Okay, so I'm okay, so the name will be same. Okay, so let me edit this and let me use this alias name like this, and I think now I will check this challenge. So now it should be completed. If it will not be completed, we'll see that what it is asking and we will complete. So now I'm going to tell you the difference between freeze and deactivate. So freezing is that if suppose something wrong is happening in the account. Okay, suppose some account gets compromised, so what a Salesforce admin will do, Salesforce admin is going to come to that user and will freeze the account. Okay, so that nothing nothing more will happen to that account, and that will account will be freezed. Okay, but suppose a user is leaving an organization. Suppose I was in some company and I'm leaving the company, so I no longer need that account of the user, right? So I am going to deactivate that user. Now deactivate is simply I'm going to uncheck this active mark, and the user will be deactivated. Okay, okay, and this assessment is complete.